Hello and welcome to my latest Facebook Stories video. My name is Anita Wong, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a free swipe up for your Facebook Stories and take people to your event which you are hosting inside your Facebook business page. As long as you've got an event hosted on your Facebook business page, then you will see the swipe up button come available inside your Facebook business page's stories. So keep tuned to learn how you can have a free swipe up button on your Facebook business page stories without having to pay a penny. Okay, so this is going to show you how to add a clickable swipe up to an event that you're organising on your Facebook account. So I have an event which I'm organising at the moment, which is a Facebook and Instagram stories workshop. And I'm going to show you how you can add a story to your stories with a clickable link directly to your event, and it's a swipe up link and it's completely free. So the first thing you do is you click on your profile image on your mobile and it will say create story, view profile picture, or choose new profile picture. So I'm going to do create story. So you click create story. Then it's going to ask you to take some images from your camera roll. So I've got one here, which I prepared earlier. So let me just choose one of these. Then you click next. Now it's got here, I've got my writing at the top. It's got a nice picture of me. Then what you do at the top right-hand corner, you see there's that little link. Now that little link gives you some options when you click it. Add a button to your page story so that people can see it and interact with your page. So I'm going to do, for the purpose of this training video, see event. So there I have an event already set up on my page, Instagram and Facebook Stories Live. So I'm going to add that event, and then it says see button added. And what will happen is that when I go out of this story and view it from another account, you will see a link. Before I do that, I'm going to tell all my viewers to swipe up to find out more about the event. So I'm going to use a sticker and a GIF, and I'm going to put swipe up as my Giphy, and then I'm going to wait for something to come, and then I'm going to choose one of these so that it tells everyone what to do. So let's use this great girl here. So I'm going to pop her here and make her a little bit bigger. So the button is going to go near her. Actually, let me pop her up here, like so. And then I might have another little arrow just to give it a little bit more oomph to get people to actually do it. So then I'm going to pop this here and I'm going to point to where the button usually occurs. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the Pages Story Plus. That's a shortcut and it will post it directly to my stories. Now, when you view the story from inside your account like we are now, you click View Story and we're going to click through to this one I've just added. And as you can see, it's still uploading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out of my account and I'm going to go into a different account so that you can see the button. Okay, so I've borrowed my husband's account. So we're going to go to my business page, so Anita Wong. And there's my business page from the outside. So this is somebody else looking in. As you can see, I have my circle and that has a blue circle around the outside of it. So I click that, you can see, and at the bottom there, it has a See Event button. Now I've popped this onto some previously, so I'm going to show you the one that I've just put up. There you go. So if I actually click See Event, what happens is it takes you to the event page inside of my Facebook account. And then you're free to click the ticket button and it will then take you to the ticket on Eventbrite. So as you can see, I have my event listed on Eventbrite and you can buy your tickets directly from Eventbrite through my Facebook account. So if I close that down again, I'll show you again. If I click it, takes you straight to my Instagram and Facebook Stories Live workshop inside of Facebook in the event. So then if I want to get tickets, I click the ticket button. it again opens up to the event page in Eventbrite for me to purchase my tickets. If I click the tickets, it opens up and gives me the options to buy my tickets there and then. Now this was all done inside of my Facebook stories, and I got my C event, as you can see at the top here where it says Anita Wong. As you can see, when I click it, there's no sponsored word there, which means that I got the event swipe up option completely free inside my Facebook story. So we go back to my account, and as you see, it says here at the bottom, your button will appear here to viewers here. So that's how you can have a swipe up for your event that's happening soon, free of charge, inside your Facebook business page stories. Do reach out to me if you want to know how I got that swipe up, and also if you want to attend my Stories Live Instagram and Facebook Stories workshop, which is happening on the 8th of November, please let me know in the comments below.